day is it?
Cruise day.
Cruise day. We're on our way.
All right, so where are we going, man?
We're going on a cruise.
Which one?
We're going on the Liberty.
She is right.
It's just a short cruise, but we're going to have a great time, and it's just me and my lovey.
Yeah, well, Wanda's going to be there.
Oh, yeah, we forgot about our friend Wanda's going to be there.
Wanda.
Well, there's really going to be a lot of other guests on there, but we do have one friend that we know. Wanda is coming with us, or will be on the ship with us.
So anyway, so we're only a little ways away. We finally got through the dreaded Orlando. And the only reason we're doing this cruise is we're going to do the identical cruise in the identical room on the 20th.
My birthday weekend.
Yeah.
Yay, October.
They gave us $1,000 gambling money.
1,000.
Free cruise. So we're going to go see if we can't take advantage of Carnival.
We're going to be winners.
So anyway, we'll bring it to you when we get there. We're about maybe 20 minutes away from the port.
We got here early.
We know she's got to stop on the way.
Why?
So,
Why I got to stop?
because she got to pee.
We can stop when we get there. Now quit telling people that kind of stuff. Oh, God.
Alright, this is how you always know you're getting close to the port, is when you see the bridges.
Shit to the cruise ship.
What are you saying?
Yeah, just turn it on because you're gonna get video of you getting beat up on a cruise ship because you're driving like a maniac. Now stop!
Want me to drive,
Stop!
You don't want me to drive crazy on the road, but yet you want me to look at you and videotape you yelling, "Hey, you hit my phone!"
That's it!
That's it. I'm gonna come. Alright, so we got the Disney Wish, the Mariner of the Seas. Alright, so the Wish and the Mariner are on that side. We're going to the Liberty, which is at Terminal 3, which is
see it, just say, "Oh, I forgot that was in there."
Alright, so here we are. We're sitting in line, waiting on the garage to open. And but Terminal 3 has got to be about the best option right here at Port Canaveral. So when you come in here to Terminal 3, always remember 3 and 3. You want to go to level 3 because you pay before the cruise. So when you leave, you just drive right out. And you want to go to level 3 because that is where the actual platform is to go into the terminal. So you park right by the stairwells, no elevators to worry about except when you exit. I'll show you when we get there. Alright, so again, you want to come up here to level 3. You don't need to get in the elevators. You're just going to walk around the other side of the elevators. And that's going to bring you down right here to the doors that take you into the terminal. Now coming out, you will have to use the elevators. Level 3. And then just right down the ramp, and there's the doors, and we're already going in. Where are we going, babe? Why are you videotaping me?
We're going on a cruise.
All right, well, let's do it. They already opened the doors.
This is how we communicate.
This is how we do it. And there she be. All right, here I am with Ray. Ray works for the same company I work for, Intercruises. And Ray was the first one that ever noticed us as part of U2 cruising.
There you go.
Right? Are you going? Not going today?
Not today. Not today, but I'm going soon.
I know. I saw you on one.
Yeah.
All right.
My next one is in, I'm going to Rome.
Well,
Yeah, on the Pride.
we can't afford that, right?
Yeah, Ray.
It's a free one.
I know. Well, take care, man.
Man, you guys enjoy your cruise,
All right,
okay?
and congratulations on your promotion.
Thank you. Thank you.
it.
Appreciate it, man.
All right, man. Gambling boat right there. Victory. Independence of the Seas. And we can't see the Wish or the Mariner. Alright, here we go. Alright, so they changed it again here. Now they're calling Sweet Yes first. Not in Tampa. Unless, of course, they changed it there again. Just in the last week.
right, number 11 sign this way, guys. They're putting up the Halloween decorations. That's what all those are.
All right, babe, where are we going now?
We're going to the mustard drill.
Yeah, we got to go
Yeah,
find.
we got to go get that done, and
B.
then we can be done of all of our responsibilities.
We're not responsible at all. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. Bye.
Excellency, before you I could come with my representation, I say you know where I'm coming from.
All right, we're going to B. Remember the old days when you had to stand out here, shoulder to shoulder, 5 rows deep? B it is. All right, we got that mess out of the way. Now what are we gonna do?
Now we're going to find us something to eat.
Eat.
We're hungry.
Eat. Food.
Food.
Never knew who you're gonna run into on a cruise ship, right? Eat guy. Didn't take long. So if you need a drink, on the Liberty, when you going home?
6 more months.
6 more months. So if you're on the Carnival Liberty until
Yeah.
now, until about what, March, April?
Maybe March.
April, maybe.
Yeah.
Come see Ika at the pool. Take care of you. Take care. And that's how you get him. Terry, what you got? What is it?
Grilled cheese and french fries. Grilled cheese and ham with french fries.
You look cute with that stuff on your face.
Hungry.
Can't control her.
I'm hungry.
I got the jambalaya, mashed potatoes, fish, a potato salad, I don't know, like a tomato veggie, and jambalaya. Babe, what's going on?
It's a mustard drill, and Wanda or somebody did not go and do the mustard drill.
Was it Wanda?
It wasn't Wanda. Take
Wanda
a picture,
already
Wanda. Show Wanda.
So now we're all cut off.
Now we can't even get a drink, Wanda.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Hold that thought.
Hey, it's not my fault this time.
Nope, and we got drinks. We're good.
I did
Oh,
my
look at-
mustard drill, and we're getting ready to move. It's some other folks' fault this time.
Yep, not our fault this time. Yep. All right, we are heading out. Just got off from being live. There you see the Independence. Disney Wish is way there in the background, and the Mariner of the Seas. That is your coast of Cocoa Beach. And there's our pilot boat waiting to pick up our pilot. We are out to sea. Again, we're going to Bimini, which is only like 45 miles due east of Palm Beach. And we're not getting there till the day after tomorrow. I guess we'll be doing some circles. I'll bring that to you. See ya.
Escuchando, ya hoy tengo a una, mañana otra. Me la voy a llevar a todas con VIP.
All right, babe, where are we going?
We're going to dinner because we are very hungry.
And we're also late, as usual. Sorry.
Sorry.
And the sad part is we're in the very bow of the ship, but we got to go all the way to the aft of the ship.
Yeah, we
to
do.
the back dining room. I don't get it.
Let's go see what's for dinner.
All right. See you there.
See ya.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Not good. Raining out here. Raining out here. Look at her. She's going. She's running. Look at her. She doesn't like to get wet. I hate to get wet, and it's raining out here. All right, we're going to dinner. We got to go. All right, my first appetizer is 2 tomato soups. Terry got. What'd you get, babe?
A Diet Coke.
Diet Coke.
Waiting on you. Waiting on you.
All right, my second appetizer, Caesar salad. Terry's. Nah, she wanted French, but they're coming with it. She got a regular garden salad. And we're still missing Wanda. We don't know where she's at. She's probably losing in the casino, hopefully winning. My next appetizer, shrimp cocktail. All right, Terry got the chicken parmesan. And I got the mahi-mahi.
Wanda got Caesar salad.
Wanda's already starting a tradition. Chocolate martini.
All of it.
All of it.
Thank you.
Can't you wait, Wanda? Can't you wait?
No.
Tell me how good it is.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Terry got boring food, and I got tiramisu. Look at the size of that bad boy. Wanda got chocolate martini. Welcome home. Jay. All right, here we are. It's closing time. It's late.
Thank you, Patrick.
Thank you. And you just saw Jay made us an awesome
She is the best.
chocolate martini.
We're still partying in the casino, and we're going to stay up all night long winning.
No, we're not. Oh, we might stay up winning. I don't want to jinx that, but she's not staying up all night.
Yes, I am. I'm staying up all night long.
Okay. I'll let you know what she does in about 20 minutes.
Party on.
Party on. Oh, I forgot to tell you. I forgot to tell him. They gave me $1,000. I told you that. So he talked me into buying a $50 scratch off.
Yes, I did.
We won 105 on
Yes,
it.
we did. And guess how much I got? $60. I'm a
Yeah.
winner. People, I'm a winner.
And she ain't gambled nothing yet.
No, I am a winner.
All right, good night. We'll see you in the morning. Tomorrow's the sea day. Now remember, it's only like walking distance to Bimini,
Winner, chicken dinner. But we're not at Bimini tomorrow.
but tomorrow's a sea day, the whole day.
Tuesday, we're going to be laying by the pool.
I don't get it. We're going to be doing circles.
Laying by the pool.
We'll see you in the morning, out by the pool.
Night.
Say night.
I already said night.
No, say goodbye.
I said good
Ah,
night.
got it.
Good night. Say
Good night. Good night. All right, now look at that. That's only been like 1 minute. Alright, because someone drank the whole chocolate martini. No. She drank the whole chocolate martini in like 2 gulps. We had to order another one. Some people are very loud. Just got the grand, baby. Got the grand. Just hit the grand, baby. Got the grand. $1,050, baby. Just don't go over $1,200. I don't think it will, but $1,074. That's what we want right there. I love it. First night is fun right now. Very fun. Bam. $1,074.